Your muscles don't disappear overnight. They slowly fade away, quietly, year after year, especially after 50. One day you notice standing up feels harder. Climbing stairs steals your breath. Your arms feel weaker, even though you're eating healthy. Many seniors are told the same advice again and again: eat more chicken breast. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Chicken breast alone is not enough to stop muscle loss, and in many cases, it slows progress instead of speeding it up. As we age, our bodies become resistant to protein. This is called anabolic resistance. That means you can eat the same protein you ate at 30, but your muscles don't respond the same way anymore. They need stronger signals, better nutrients, and smarter food choices. That's why relying only on lean chicken breast can leave your muscles starving for what they truly need. One powerful alternative is eggs, especially whole eggs. The yolk is where the magic happens. It contains leucine, choline, healthy fats, and fat-soluble vitamins that directly support muscle repair. Studies show that whole eggs stimulate muscle protein synthesis better than egg whites alone. For seniors, 2 eggs can do more for muscle recovery than a large portion of dry chicken breast. Another overlooked muscle-building food is fatty fish like salmon or sardines. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and make your muscles more sensitive to protein. This means the protein you eat actually gets used instead of wasted. Omega-3s also help protect muscle during aging and improve strength, not just size. Greek yogurt is another muscle-saving powerhouse. It's packed with easily digestible protein, calcium, and probiotics that improve gut health. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, which is critical after 60. Greek yogurt also provides casein protein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles for hours, especially helpful overnight. Many seniors underestimate the power of legumes like lentils and chickpeas. These plant-based foods provide protein, fiber, magnesium, and potassium, all essential for muscle contraction and recovery. They also support blood sugar control, which prevents muscle breakdown caused by insulin spikes. When combined with other proteins, legumes become even more effective for preserving lean muscle. Cottage cheese deserves special attention. It's one of the best foods for aging muscles because it's rich in casein protein and calcium. Eating cottage cheese in the evening has been shown to reduce nighttime muscle breakdown and support muscle repair while you sleep. This is critical for seniors who lose muscle fastest during rest. Finally, don't ignore nuts and seeds, especially almonds, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts. They provide healthy fats, magnesium, zinc, and small amounts of protein that support muscle strength and nerve function. Magnesium, in particular, plays a key role in preventing muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue in older adults. The biggest mistake seniors make is thinking muscle loss is inevitable. It's not. Your muscles are listening to what you feed them every single day. When you move beyond chicken breast and give your body foods that send stronger anabolic signals, you can rebuild strength, improve balance, and protect your independence. Muscle is not just about looking strong. It's about preventing falls, supporting your joints, stabilizing blood sugar, and living without fear of weakness. Choose smarter foods, fuel your muscles properly, and your body can respond, no matter your age.